Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
7. Today, 116 people have come by flight on 3 flights, and the total number of people who are under institutional quarantine are 292.
New guidelines have come, and we feel that most of the things as they are today in Goa would continue. The night curfew period has been relaxed a bit. It has now been from 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. Goa will stick to that, and we will try to enforce this curfew at border check post also, to ensure that our team can handle the people in as lawful manner. No, as per the what we have today, we feel our SOP, current existing SOP, is in compliance with the guidelines issued by the MHA. So we currently don't see the need, but we are discussing it.
Just to add on, after the 8th of June, from the 8th of June onwards, as you're aware, the guidelines have certain relaxations. Those, of course, will be definitely something on which the state government will take a call.
So, continue.
This, as we said right now, 8th, whatever guidelines are there to be applied from the 8th, these are under discussion, because we still have time to assess the situation and take a call. So all the various relaxations or all the various guidelines which need to be in place will be assessed in a totality, and there will be definitely clarity before the 8th.
No, as the curfew timings are being implemented now, the same these will be implemented. Regarding liquor shop, etc., the excise commissioner has issued certain orders, and he'll take a look at these new guidelines, and he'll issue, if required, new orders.
जो changes है वो जून 8 से ही लागू होगा, तो उससे पहले हम लोग भी उसके बारे में प्रोटोकॉल्स, जितना भी डिसीजंस होना है, ले लेंगे. अभी फिलहाल जो इमीडिएटली कल से शुरू हो रहा है, एक ही चेंज है, वो जैसे सेक्रेटरी रेवेन्यू और आईपी ने ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन किया है, वो तो सिर्फ कर्फ्यू के टाइम का चेंज है.